California Buckeye. The burr, the whole burr is number 20. So this is the front side of the burr. So if you can see it, a lot of pins on it. Beautiful pins, 3 inches in thickness. Spectacular color. So if you guys looking to buy some whole burrs of Buckeye, call us, California Exotic Harvest, Anaheim, California, 714-929-1234. This burrs, the dimension is, I'll show you here. So the length of this burrs is 40 inches, and which one here is like 34-35 inches in between. The biggest place here is 35, something like that. So if you guys looking to buy Buckeye wholesale in a live edge, call us, California Exotic Harvest, Anaheim, California, 714-929-1234. This is a spectacular piece. Nice bird with a lot of pins on it. Number 20, that's the number right there. 20, the whole bird. Spectacular with a lot of colors in it. It's available. Thank you.